Welcome to Yoga Nidra practice. Yoga Nidra is a state of conscious deep relaxation. Choose a quiet and silent place where you will not be disturbed. During this practice, please try not to fall asleep. Stay aware, listen to my instruction carefully and follow them step by step. If you are struggling with sleep at night, you may practice Yoga Nidra just before your bedtime. Otherwise, this practice can be done at any time of the day when you need deep relaxation. Let's get ready for the practice. Please lie down comfortably in your back in Savasana. Keep your legs slightly apart. Arms in 45 degree, side by your thigh, palms facing upward towards the ceiling, towards the sky. Keep your head, neck and spine in a straight line. Lightly close your eyes and close your mouth. Now take a couple of deep breath in and out from your nostril. And just observe your natural breath. Try not to manipulate your breath. Just observe it. Feel the breath entering through the nose. Feel the breath leaving through the nose. With every inhalation, calmness is spreading into your whole body. With every exhalation, feel the tension leaving the body. Take a moment to settle the body. Allow the whole body to relax deeply. Now bring your awareness to the sound around you. Do not judge the sound and do not go after the source of the sound. Just become aware of it. After finding one sound, move your awareness to the next sound. Try to find out the different sounds. Now bring your awareness to the sound which is coming close by you. Do not judge the sound, either that is good or bad, and do not go after the source of the sound. Become aware of it. After finding one sound, move your awareness to the next sound. In this way, try to find out the different sounds. Now move your awareness to the distant sound which is coming outside from your building. Find out the distant sounds. Now become aware of the soft sounds. You can hear perhaps the sound of your breath, sound of your heartbeat, or the gentle background music sound. Allow sounds to come and go naturally. You are only a witness. Sound will not disturb you. It will help you to relax even more. Now bring positive intention in your mind, which is called sankalpa. It should be short, simple, and in the present tense. For example, I'm calm and peaceful. I'm healthy and balanced. I sleep deeply and naturally. Repeat your Sankalpa 3 times mentally with full awareness and feeling. Now gently move your awareness through the body. Notice that wherever your awareness goes, that part of the body becomes deeply relaxed. Bring your awareness towards your right thumb. Observe your right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, right palm, back of your right palm, right wrist, forearm, right elbow, upper arm, right shoulder, right side of your chest, right wrist, right thigh, right knee, right calf muscle, shin bone, right hip, sole of the right foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Take a deep breath in and out. And now observe your whole right body part from up to down. Feel the entire right side of the body is completely relaxed. Now bring your awareness towards your left thumb. Observe your left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, left palm, back of your left palm, left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, left side of your chest, left wrist, left thigh, knee, calf muscle, shin bone, heel, sole of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Take a deep breath in and out. Observe your whole left body part from up to down. Feel the entire left side of the body is completely relaxed. Now, become aware of those body parts which are in contact with the floor. Observe your heels, calf muscle, back side of your thigh, glutes, lower back, middle back, upper back, back side of your neck, back side of your head. Take a deep breath in and out and feel the good relaxation in your body parts which are in contact with the floor. Now observe your body parts which are in contact with air. Observe the tip of your toes, shin bone, knee, front of your thigh, groin, stomach, chest, front of your both arms, front of your neck, face, crown of your head. Take a deep breath in and out. And now feel your body parts which are in contact with air is completely relaxed. Feel the entire body is completely relaxed, still and peaceful. Now take a deep breath in and out. With every inhalation, now imagine that your body is becoming heavy and heavy and heavy. Imagine that your body is so heavy now. It's like a big wooden log. At the same time, feel the relaxation. Take another deep breath in and out. Now with every exhalation, now imagine that your body is becoming lighter and lighter and lighter. Feel that you are so light now. You are like a feather floating in the sky. Now bring your awareness towards your belly and observe the movement of your belly. Your belly is moving up and down spontaneously with your breath. Observe your breath, and now reverse counting your breath from 21 to 1. When you inhale and exhale, count 21. Inhale, exhale, count 20. Inhale, exhale, count 19. This way, reverse counting your breath from 21 to 1. With every count, feel the relaxation in your body and mind. And make sure if you forgot the count in between, then you have to start again from 21. Your time starts now. Now lead the count. Feel each inhalation, feeling the body with peace. Feel each exhalation release stress, fatigue, and tiredness. Now allow your mind to create a gentle image. There is no effort, just absorb. If image comes clearly, absorb them. If they do not, simply relax. Visualize yourself healthy, calm, and joyful. See yourself living with balance and awareness. Now, allow your mind to create a gentle image. There is no effort, just absorb. If image comes clearly, absorb them. If they do not, simply relax. Imagine a still lake at early morning. The water is clear and calm. Lotus flowers are gently floating. Each lotus represents peace, balance, and purity. Your mind becomes as still as the lake. Visualize soft sunlight falling on your forehead, the warmth slowly spreading into your whole body. Every cell is relaxed and healed. Imagine your breath like a gentle ocean wave. As you inhale, the wave rises. As you exhale, it softly returns. Your mind flows naturally with this rhythm. Visualize yourself resting under a strong tree. Its roots go deeper into the earth. You feel supported, stable, and grounded. Any restlessness flows down into the earth. Imagine cool moonlight touching your body, starting from the head, following down slowly. The coolness relax your nervous system. Your mind become quiet and clear now. Visualize an open, vast space within you. No thoughts, no effort, just awareness, open and free. Rest in this inner space. Now recall your sankalpa once again. Repeat it 3 times, gently and confidently. Allow this intention to settle deep within you. Slowly bring your awareness back to the body. Notice the space around you. Notice the temperature inside your room. Gently move your fingers one by one. Move your toes one by one. Move your hands, move your legs, move your head. And then rub your palms together. Rub your palms together. And palm your eyes. Now stretch your whole body from head to toe. Exhale and relax. When ready, roll into one side and rest there for a moment. Slowly come up to a seated position. Keep the eyes closed for a few breaths. Bring the palms together in Namaste in your heart. Observe the calmness within. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you very much for completing Yoga Nidra practice.